We are at the Carlisle Chrysler Nationals. Alright, I'm here at the Carlisle, PA Fairgrounds for the All Mopar show. And yes, I am wearing a Ford hat, but you know the deal. So, 3,000 cars here, all Mopars, and a swap meet dedicated to all Chrysler stuff. So, this is cool. Let's go check out some awesome cars. There's a 71 Charger RT. It's a 426 Hemi. It's another 71 RT Charger. Nice clean car. 70 Plymouth Superbird. Nice car. And I bet you never saw one of those pulling a trailer. And it has two Richard Petty special tractors on the back. That's cool. There's a 100% carbon fiber 68 Charger powered by a 1,000 horsepower Elephant. That's cool. All bare carbon. Very nice. Got an 8-speed automatic. Well, this is cool. An 07 Charger Super B turned into a pickup truck. Very neat. And a 34 Plymouth. It's even got Holley Sniper unit and a turbo. Very nice. I like the color on it too. There's a 1953 irrigation pump powered by a 331 Hemi firepower. Very cool. And a 69 Chrysler Valiant 16-foot runabout and original Chrysler trailer. Very cool. 47 Dodge half-ton pickup. Nice wooden bed. It got a big block Mopar. And here's a 41 Plymouth Special Deluxe. Oh, with a 392 Hemi. Very cool. Here's an 81 Plymouth Arrow with a sleeper cab and dolly conversion. Very cool. Here's a 49 Dodge Coronet powered by a flathead inline 6, followed up with a 3 on the tree. It's a neat car. 78 Plymouth Super Coupe, original unrestored. Very nice. And a Coronet wagon. Original paint and interior. The 1960 pound wagon. Nice truck. Nice 93 D250. It's a super cab with a 12-valve Cummins. Very nice. Here we go, the Viper section. Got a 96 right here. First year for the Viper. Very cool. Here's some first gens. These are all powered by the V10 and manuals, because you could not get automatics with these, which is awesome. Here's the newer ones. Very cool. Oh, I like that orange one. That looks sweet. (2014) again a V8 and a manual. This is awesome. Alright, here we have the SRT10 Rams. This one here is a 2005. These were neat trucks. 500 horsepower V10 powered pickup truck. Very cool. And yes, here is the Jeep section. Nice CJ7 Golden Eagle Levi edition. Nice clean CJ. Nice CJ7. And here is an LJ Rubicon. That's rare. It's clean too. CJ7. And a TJX. Very cool. There's a JK Willys edition. Oh, look at this JKU. Sitting on 46-inch Mickey Thompsons. Very cool. JKU. Nice JT. And a JLU-R. Check out that American flag. Very nice. It's awesome. And a JLU Rubicon. Oh, and a JT Mojave. Nice. And here's a row of General Lees. We have a 69 Charger, clone of the General Lee from the Dukes of Hazzard. It's got a 440 big block Mopar. Even has the Dixie horn. Here's a 77 Plymouth Fury police car. And a whole bunch more General Lees. Here's another Plymouth police car from the Dukes of Hazzard. Bunch of very nice cars here. Oh, that one even has a CB antenna on the trunk. Very nice. Here's a newer Charger, painted to look like the General. So awesome. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I'm gone.